Asante. Thank you.
Gavana wa Kiambu Kimani wa Matangi ni atongoretie obitha a ruhonge rwa Safaricom M-Pesa Foundation kwenja muthingi wa haria wondi ya mataneti ya thibitarĩ ya Kigumo Komotha Githunguri gwakwo niguo kugacirithia utungata wa ugima wa mwiri wa muingi. Kuringana na atongoria ya Safaricom M-Pesa Foundation, ruhonge ruru rwatuire itua ria kurugamirira kimbeca tabarira ya Waramia thibitarĩ uyu thutha wa kuona kigiriko kia aikaria guku aria makoretwo magithie thabari ndaya gwetha urigitani.
So we said it's very unfortunate that hatuna hospitali kubwa hapa, and this Kigumo hospital being a level 4 hospital should surely have a maternity theatre. As a mother and as a wife, I know the issues or complications or stress that can come with prolonged labor and having to drive as far as Gatundu because you don't have the proper facilities here.
And that is why when we were given this proposal, we felt, let us try and improve that process and give access to better healthcare.
Kaunti ya Kiambu ni igaite ciringi milioni 10 iria nacio ikuhuthika gwikira uthio mweru thibitarĩ uyu kuria wondi ikuhakwo rangi na imwe kwaramio niguo gutigirira utungata wa ugima wa mwiri wa muingi ni wagacira.
So the 47 million shillings that the foundation is investing for the construction and equipping of this new maternity and newborn unit in this hospital, I hope and we hope on completion will give better health care, will provide mothers and children greater access to what is a natural and something that we all desire.
We ratwateithio hane foundation ni watuhuthiria murigo munene tondu garama ya guthie mathibitarĩ maria mangi ni yehera kana tigwa andu aitu.
Mataneti iria igwakwo igukorwo na wondi ya atumia guteithikira mariri magukomwo ni atumia aria maracokereria magia ciana 40 na mashini cia kiru cia kuhura mbica na guthima mirimu ingi. Handu-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma Kigumo Githunguri kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, njĩtagwo Charles Gĩkunga wa Kariũki.